DigitalBix fashions. The quite intentional man knows the importance of a white shirt. It is the indispensable friend that would never let you down on any occasion. Having the right fit and style will make all the difference if you must choose one for either a formal or a casual event. Here are the best 5 white shirts for men that you should definitely invest in. Number 1, classic white shirt. A classic formal white shirt makes you look crisp and sophisticated. A definite deal maker on any formal occasion, the timeless white shirt always helps in bringing out the leader within you. Follow the vibe from top to bottom and pair it with a smart pair of dark colored trousers, formal shoes, and a belt to keep it tidy through the evening. Number 2, Mandarin collar white shirt. The Mandarin collar has taken the fashion industry by storm. Pair the Mandarin collar with white and the result is a youth fountain. For the men who wear shirts daily, Mandarin collar definitely brings along the punch they need to up their game. Number 3, casual linen white shirt. A casual linen white shirt is your perfect partner on those extremely hot days, setting your mood just right. Clubbing it with a pair of shorts and boat shoes would bring along the beach vibe you need to beat the sun. Number 4, half-sleeved white shirt. All the weight you have been lifting at the gym pays off here. Nothing complements those biceps more than a half-sleeved white shirt. Experiment with a curved hem and spread collar for a half-sleeved white shirt. Number 5, printed white shirt. Shirts with printing are turning out to be what stripes were a decade ago. They bring about a twist while and a mild print still helps to keep your look classy. Slay casual occasions in a printed white shirt, rugged jeans and a pair of sneakers. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.